Alright, the next ride we're going to check out is the Jungle Cruise Expedition. Ooh.
For your safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands, feet, arms, legs, cameras, and phones inside the boat. Please do not stand up and walk around when the boat's moving, okay? You don't do that on Space Mountain, so don't do it here, okay? And we are clear. Everybody wave bye to those nice people on the dock. Bye. You're never gonna see them again. And again, you've probably never seen them before, so no attachments, right? Wave bye to my fans. Hi, fans. Hi. We're talking about the ones on the ceilings. I don't know those people. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Jessica. I'll be your skipper today. Again, for your safety, please remain seated. Keep your hands, feet, arms, legs, cameras, and phones inside the boat. Parents, watch your children. Because you know, I don't feel like doing it. Children, watch your parents. They're the ones I don't trust. Okay? They know what's up. Awesome. So we're now entering the Amazon. Don't worry, it's gonna go by quickly. This boat is prime. Oh, God. So, do you feel that mist on your face? Kind of cool, kind of nice. Well, it's interesting to note that mist carries the world's largest array of rare tropical bacteria. It's one of those extras we provide for you on the Jungle Cruise. You're welcome. Right. So, right over here on the left, you will see Inspiration Falls. You know, they call it Inspiration Falls because the longer you look at it, the more it inspires you to go. Deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Yes, definitely number one reason why. We don't want to hear number two. Can I have this little one facing the inside of the boat? All children need to be sitting on their bottoms facing the inside of the boat, not on their knees or their feet. Awesome. So has anybody here seen the Jungle Book?
Yes.
There it is in 3D. Yeah, I saw that and it blew me away, right? So I'm super excited. I arranged a welcoming party for all of you. It's gonna be so embarrassing. Wow. I can't see anyone. Can you?
No.
Yeah. Wonder why nobody showed up. Can't be my awesome jokes, right? Oh, that's what scared them off. Yep, it's that snake. In a
Angry
tree.
snake.
H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Hey, does anybody know what that is? It starts with a P. Plastic. Yes, you guys are so smart. I knew it. Oh, that's where the party moved to, into the supplies tent. Guys, it's a supplies party now. Supplies! You guys got me. You're so good. Well, if anybody's wearing yellow, please don't make a sound that sounds like a banana. They find that very appealing. Yeah, don't do it. So we're now in the Nile River. It's the longest river in Africa. If you don't believe me, you're probably in denial. Africa. You guys, I thought you were listening to me. Oh my God, so much. So that's an African elephant right there. Fun fact about this elephant, he is the fastest land mammal in the jungle. He can reach up to... Ah! There he is. Oh my gosh, he's so quick. Wow. You think he'd be a cheetah, but he's a winner, right? Yeah. I like to point out this sandstone formation over here. You know, a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's one of our boulder attractions, don't you think?
Oh.
So we're now in the African belt, home to many species of animals, including wildebeest, giraffes, gazelles, 67 impalas, okapis, because we lost the original. Oh, look, those lions are taking care of that sleeping zebra. Isn't that sweet? Well, you know what? He looks pretty dead tired, so we'll let him rest in peace. Says, yeah. Oh, wow. I have never seen anything like that before. That's so crazy. There must be a million rocks on that beach. Wow. Oh, hey. Oh, that's the Jungle Cruise band and their backup singers, the Enos. Yeah, they're my really good friends. Let's say hi. Hi, Enos. You know, they came here looking for a new drum. I guess they found a horn instead. Yeah. Well, if you ever find yourself in a situation like that, you don't have to be faster than the rhino. Just the person next to you, right? Yes. Say hello to your sacrifices, everybody. So right over here on the left, you will see the scariest plant in the jungle. Bamboo. Did I get you? No? So right behind me, you'll see Schweitzer Falls. It's named after famous African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, if you don't get that, we'll go over it later. Oh, remember what I said about the bacteria? Yeah, there's so much more in that. The next being 24 to 48 hours. Or your doctor. Well, you know, a lot of people ask me, Skipper Jessica, where do you live in the jungle? Well, that's my home, right there. I mean, it's a little plane, but you know, I was lucky to have landed that deal. Half off, right? So we're now entering the hippo pool. Everybody, please be careful because these hippos look pretty friendly, but they capsized at least 6 boats last week. Don't worry, 5 of them are mine, but it's those killer African ducks you gotta look out for. Look at them. They defeated that hippo. So vicious. Well, you know what? I can scare off the remaining hippos for you, no problem. I love you! Marry me! Yep, surefire way to scare someone off. Desperation, right? So we're now entering headhunter territory, which is a terrible place to be headed. Oh, you know when the natives dance around in a circle like that, it either means they're about to attack, or they lost the key to the men's bathroom. You know what? I can never remember which one. But if they do attack, it's always to the right. Never the... Uh-oh. Oh my goodness, if we catch a spear, drop back, we can't keep any souvenirs. Parents, these are children are shields. I mean, shield your children. Oh. I am so sorry about that. Well, I can make it up to you. I can tell you some Disney secrets too, Anna. Okay, so you're going to thank me for this later. First, you're going to go up. And that's how you get unlimited fast passes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Don't tell anybody I told you that though. That is a secret. I might get in trouble for that, so I'm not going to hear anything. Okay? So we're now entering the Mekong River. It's the heart of Cambodia. You never know what you would find here, but knowing Disney, it's another souvenir shop, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that looks a little scary. I don't want to feel like I'm Mekong you go, so should we go in? Yeah?
Yes.
Well, I hope you have a good dental plan then. It looks like a root canal.
Ooh. Tiger. Okay, as long as you have each other. And my last 3 boats, but we're not allowed to talk about that. So we're now in the elephant bathing pool. Take all the pictures you want. Everybody's decent. They're wearing their trunks today. So nice of them. Oh, look, that little baby elephant is playing under a full moon. Isn't that beautiful? Well, you know what? I do have to warn you. These elephants like to wet the boats. Be careful. A lot of people ask, is that water that comes out of their trunks? It's not. Yeah, you might end up as a tissue. Everybody duck, everybody duck! Oh, I'm sorry, I thought I saw a duck and I got really excited. I'm so sorry. Oh, he's coming back. Duck, 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 duck! Goose. Just kidding. A little bit of dry humor for you, right? Well, I guess I have to be a little educational, so I'm going to point out all the varieties of plants we have here on the Jungle Cruise. There's what? There's what? That right there's a hibiscus. Underneath it's a low biscus. I just say chicken biscuits. So right over here is Trader Sam. He's that salesman of our jungle. Everybody say hi, Sam. Hi, Sam.
Yeah, you know his business has been pretty cutthroat lately, so he has a deal for you. 2 heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? No? I mean, it's a good deal. No matter how you slice and dice it, you always come out ahead. Yeah, you know what? Vegetarians really love vegetables, and Sam, he's a true humanitarian.
Yeah, he has complete strangers for dinner. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I went out for dinner the other night with my boyfriend. We're 20 minutes late. All we got was cold shoulder. I mean, that's better than finger sandwiches, though, right? I'm just kidding. I don't have a boyfriend. Well, I'd like to thank you all for joining me here today. I also like to thank my legs for supporting me, and my arms for always being by my side, and the sidewalks for keeping me off the streets. Yes. I'm gonna leave. Oh, please keep your elbows and hands inside the boat. I don't want you to feel some unnecessary peer pressure. I'm gonna leave you with some words of wisdom that my parents love to tell me every day. Get out. I'm sorry, that was so rude. Please, get out. All right, everybody. Please stand, watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Oh, thank you. Don't. Stop. Really, don't stop. I don't get any attention at the moment. Do not cross over those crates in the middle. All of you are way too young to cross over.